I spent my whole life here. Grew up right on this beach, you know, with my brothers, surfing, playing in the sand. My dad, they call him the godfather of surfing because he's done so much to really develop the sport. Surfing is a lifestyle, you know. You wake up in the morning and the first thought is, oh, what's the waves like today? It takes over your life, you know. Jamnesia is Jamaica's first and only surf camp, and what we do is we cater to local and traveling surfers, trying to make staying in Jamaica as affordable as possible. You know, we can teach anybody to surf. We'll take everybody. There's that personal side of Jamaica that you only experience from coming here. Everybody wants to genuinely help you to have a great experience. You know, like, we're so proud of Jamaica that we want to share it with everybody.